Introducing the 2020 Acura RDX. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Acura RDX, a luxury crossover SUV that handles whatever life throws at you in style and comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated and/or cooled front seats, head-up display, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, fog lamps, satellite radio, premium sound system, lane keeping assist. Feel what it's like to have it all. Test drive the Acura RDX today.